G'day, it's Matty from Couple of Cities again, and we have finally got the van back and we're at our next house sit. The owners of the property have been very kind and they've said also, guys, if you need to use the tools, the shed's downstairs, so get stuck into it. And this morning we are working on a few bits and pieces connected to getting some panels back on and getting the roof panel fitted. So I've just been on the phone to the company that did the solar fit out for us because I wasn't able to figure out how they'd set the fans up. Now, keep in mind, as I said, I'm not an electrician. So it turns out that what I needed to do was disconnect one of the fuses. Come with me. So we've had to pull this little sucker out. Now, what we originally had down here was the fuses were labeled backwards. So we figured out, okay, well, it's the roof vent. That was where the 12-volt fan was. There's a fan sticker, and the van down at 12-volt fan was where the roof vent was. So we switched them around. We're about to isolate those fans. So today, our mission is down the side here. We've got all of the insulation. I want to make sure that I've got the panels back over the top of there and the cables feeding through. We've got our display unit just down here. This little awesome thing gives us our full readout. What I want to do is I want to mount that so it's just inside here, and it makes it easy for us to be able to see what's going on, because this is going to be our office area. If that's visible and that's easy for us to be able to tell what we're doing, most practical place for us as far as things go here. So we've already disconnected the fans from the top brackets. Now we're going to undo the wiring and just stick them aside. So we're going to get the timber to run across. So we've got some 3mm ply that we're going to trace along the edges of the van, get to come down to the edges here, and that's going to help us get a nice smooth finish. So that's, well, it's a big mission for today. I think I'm not going to get it all done today because I do need to clock on and start working. So I've got about an hour and a half. It'll most likely just be the panels that I get done on the side, but let's give it a red hot crack and see how we go. All right, time for hyperlapse.
Mine said not enough, but so no true. Whisper of fear, try steal your you. Doubt like a fog rolling so slow, telling you lies you already know. Talking about lack like it's carved in stone. But Jah made no heart to feel alone. The trap ain't real, it's made of thought. You're already old, already bought. Let it fall, all that shame. Let it burn like holy flame. No more cage, no more chain. Jah light pour like blessed rain. Step outside, the fear inside. You are vast, you are wide. No more doubt, no more lack. Love don't ask for nothing back. Self-talk heavy like iron shoes, walking round in someone else's blues. But silence come and peace be born when you stop feeding in a storm. You are the wave, you are the sea. Not the story, not the enemy. Jah plant the seed, so let it grow. Don't need to force what already flow. Let it fall, all that shame. Let it burn like holy flame. No more cage, no more chain. Jah light pour like blessed rain. Step outside, the fear inside. You are vast, you are wide. No more doubt, no more lack. Love don't ask for nothing back. Mind say prove, but heart say be. You were whole before believe. Don't wear chains of not enough. Truth don't beg and love's not tough. Let go the grip, let go the weight. Now is the key, now is the gate. Beyond the mirror, past the name. All is I and I the flame. you judge is what you hold, like iron poured to a magnet soul. Turn the mirror, face the game. The war you fight has your own name. It's ego, ego, every time. But grace is hiding in the climb. What you judge is what you hold, like iron poured to a magnet soul. Turn the mirror, face the game. The war you fight has your own name. It's ego, ego, every time. But grace is hiding in the climb. You point a finger, but three point back. You chase the thief, but you ride his track. Every enemy you try to erase just shows you something you need to face. I built a prison from my pride, but I keep the key on the inside. He said, die before you die. I didn't know that the self I serve would never grow. I blame the world, I blame the storm, but the fire I feared was keeping me warm. In every fight, in every cry, it's my own voice that echoes why. What you judge is what you hold, like iron pulled to a magnet soul. Turn the mirror, face the game. The war you fight has your own name. It's ego, ego, every time. But grace is hiding in the climb. What you judge is what you hold, like iron pulled to a magnet soul. Turn the mirror, face the game. The war you fight has your own name. It's ego, ego, every time. But grace is hiding in the climb. Who is the enemy? Nuffs. Who is the dad? Light inside. What do we seek? Truth that frees. Where is the peace? And drop in me. I wore the mask to look so wise, but the fool within had clear eyes. Every time I wanted more, it was fear that knocked at the door. The path gets narrow, the truth gets wide. When you stop choosing a side, what you judge, what you hold, like I am pulled to a no one burned. Wheel of life forever turned. Earth below and sky above, one vibration, roots of love. No divide, no flesh and bone, just the I, the one alone. I and I, Selassie I, rising high, never die. From the one the many grow, back to one the many go. No separation in this life, all is one in July. I and I, eternal flame, same source, one name. Lion heart, mountain soul, never have, always hold. River flow to ocean